Hey everyone, welcome back to StepWise Academy. Today we're diving into something a little different. If you're a creator here on YouTube, you might have recently noticed a new feature called automatic dubbing. Now, at first it sounds kind of cool. YouTube wants to help creators reach a wider audience by translating and dubbing videos into different languages. But here's the problem. A lot of viewers don't like it. Many people find the dubbing distracting, robotic, or simply unnecessary. I've even seen comments on other channels where viewers say they'd much rather watch the video in its original language. So if you're getting complaints, or if you just want to keep things the way they are, you can actually turn this feature off. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First, head over to your YouTube studio. On the left-hand menu, click on Settings. Next, go to Channel arrow Upload Defaults arrow Advanced Settings. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Allow Automatic Dubbing. All you need to do is uncheck that box, and then click Save. That's it. Automatic dubbing will no longer be applied to your new uploads. You'll also see another option about feedback. This is completely optional, but if you want, you can share your experience. For example, if your viewers complained about the dubbing, or if you just didn't like how it worked, you can leave a quick note there. I personally didn't leave anything, but I wanted you to know that the option is available in case you want to share your thoughts with YouTube. One important thing to keep in mind: this only applies to future videos. If your older videos already have automatic dubbing, that won't be removed. If you really want those videos without dubbing, you'll need to re-upload them. So, that's the full walkthrough. Honestly, I think this feature might become more useful in the future if YouTube improves the dubbing quality. For now, though, turning it off gives you more control and keeps your audience happy. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial here on StepWise Academy. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming guides. And of course, let me know in the comments what you think about this auto-dubbing feature. Do you like it? Or did you turn it off too? See you in the next video.